The way we think about money fundamentally influences how we earn, spend, save, and invest it. Many people operate with limiting beliefs about wealth, often resulting in financial instability and missed opportunities. Shifting to a mindset of abundance, financial literacy, and purpose-driven wealth building can radically transform your financial situation. This video explores the most powerful way to think about money, focusing on key concepts such as money as a tool, the importance of value creation, the role of financial education, long-term thinking, and fostering a mindset of growth and abundance. Money should be seen as a tool that helps you achieve your life goals rather than the ultimate objective itself. Many people fall into the trap of chasing money for its own sake, which can lead to dissatisfaction, stress, and poor financial decisions. By viewing money as a resource for facilitating the things that truly matter, such as security, freedom, experiences, and contributing to others, you can make more intentional decisions about how to earn, spend, and invest. In a consumer-driven society, many people equate wealth with material possessions. This mindset often leads to financial strain as people prioritize instant gratification over long-term security. By shifting the focus from material goods to personal growth, experiences, and relationships, individuals can foster a healthier relationship with money and avoid falling into debt or financial stress. At its essence, money is a representation of value. The more value you create for others, the more you can earn. This is true whether you are an entrepreneur, an employee, or an investor. By understanding that earning money is directly tied to the value you provide, you can focus on building skills, solving problems, and offering services that others are willing to pay for. This mindset shifts the focus from chasing money to pursuing excellence in a way that benefits others. One of the most powerful ways to increase your income is to find ways to scale the value you offer. Whether this means expanding a business, automating processes, or leveraging technology, scaling your ability to provide value allows you to reach more people and increase your earning potential. This approach aligns with long-term wealth building and financial independence. Financial literacy is a critical factor in building wealth. This includes understanding concepts such as budgeting, saving, debt management, investing, and taxes. Many people make poor financial decisions simply because they lack a basic understanding of how money works. By taking the time to educate yourself on these topics, you can avoid common pitfalls and make informed decisions about your finances. One of the most important concepts in financial literacy is the power of compound growth. Whether it's compound interest on savings or the compounding returns of long-term investments, understanding how small, consistent efforts can result in significant wealth over time is crucial. Investing early and consistently is one of the most reliable ways to grow your wealth over the long term. We live in a world of instant gratification, where many people struggle to delay short-term pleasures in favor of long-term gains. However, developing the ability to delay gratification is essential for building wealth. Whether it's saving for retirement, investing in education, or foregoing a luxury purchase, long-term thinking allows you to prioritize your future financial well-being over momentary satisfaction. In the world of investing, long-term thinking is especially important. Markets go through cycles, and there will be periods of volatility and downturns. By adopting a long-term perspective and resisting the urge to react emotionally to short-term market fluctuations, you can stay invested and allow your wealth to grow over time. The most successful investors understand that time in the market is more important than timing the market. A scarcity mindset assumes that resources are limited, which can lead to fear, anxiety, and hoarding behaviors. In contrast, a mindset of abundance believes there is enough for everyone and that opportunities for wealth creation are endless. This shift in perspective encourages taking calculated risks, sharing knowledge, and seeking out new opportunities. It also fosters a sense of gratitude and generosity, which can enhance both your financial and emotional well-being. Money and personal growth are deeply intertwined. By investing in yourself, whether through education, learning new skills, or building relationships, you increase your capacity to earn and manage money effectively. This mindset of continuous growth not only increases your earning potential, but also ensures that you are always adapting to changing circumstances and opportunities. To build a healthy and powerful mindset around money, consider these actionable steps. 1. View money as a tool to achieve your life's purpose, not an end goal. Focus on experiences, relationships, and long-term satisfaction rather than material goods. 2. Focus on how you can provide value to others in a scalable way. Whether in your career or business, continually seek ways to improve your skills and offer services that others need. 3. Take the time to learn about budgeting, investing, and managing debt. The more you know about how money works, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. 4. Develop the discipline to delay gratification and stay focused on your long-term goals. Avoid emotional reactions to short-term financial challenges or market volatility. 5. Believe that wealth and opportunity are available to everyone, including you. Cultivate a sense of gratitude, take calculated risks, and invest in continuous personal development. By adopting these principles, you can transform not only how you think about money, but also how you approach every financial decision in your life. This mindset shift can lead to greater financial security, more fulfilling experiences, and a deeper sense of purpose.